Hi guys, I'm Mr. Paradox and we will continue Cybersecurity 101 and we will solve search skills. Okay, start. Introduction. Check how many results you get when you're searching for learn hacking. At the time of writing, we got 1.5 billion results when searching on Google. Okay. Learn hacking. Okay, tools. 561 million results. Okay, check. Evaluation of search results. What do you call a cryptographic method or product considered bogus or fraudulent? Okay guys, you can investigate it from Google and you can find the answer, and our answer is snake oil. You should explain it. What is the name of the command replacing netstat in Linux systems? Socket statistics, and it is called SS. Search engines. How would you limit your Google search to PDF files containing the terms cyber warfare report? File type PDF and cyber warfare report. What phrase does the Linux command SS stand for? Socket statistics. Specialist search engines. There is some engines for searching: Shodan, Kensys, VirusTotal, Have I Been Pwned, okay, and other things. Shodan is to search devices or servers and other things in the world. Kensys is used to search internet connected devices and systems or other devices, for example webcams, servers, routers, and so on. VirusTotal is used to find the virus in file or other things. Have I Been Pwned is used to search Gmails for Gmail is stolen or not. What is the top country with light TPD servers? Okay, for this question we use Shodan. We will use Shodan and light TPD. Okay, and we can see that United States is the first grade. And top country is United States. What does Bitdefender Fox detect the file with the hash it? Okay. We used VirusTotal search and our hash is that. Copy it. Search. Okay. Bitdefender Fox detect the file. Okay. Android Riskware Agent LHH. Vulnerabilities and exploits. CVA, exploit database. Yes, CVA is used to explain vulnerabilities in some sites or other things in the history. Exploit database is used to find vulnerabilities in the sites with the Google searching. Also, GitHub is used for these reasons and other things. Okay, what utility does CVA refer to? Okay, we will use CVA program and copy it, search, okay, what's the question? Refer to, it's referred to XZ, and you should write this text, read this text, and our answer is XZ. Technical documentation. In the Linux manual page, we use this command for the read Linux manual page, and in the Microsoft we use this site for the read the manual page. Okay, product documentation. What does the Linux command cat stand for? And we use the Linux man cat. Concatenate files and print on the standard output. Okay. What's the netstat parameter in MS Windows that displays executable associated with each active connection and listening port? Okay. Netstat. Yes. Netstat. Yes, B. Our answer is that, because displays the executable involved in creating each connection or listening port. Yes, our answer is that. Social media. You are hired to evaluate the security of a particular company. What is a popular social media website you would use to learn about the technical background of one of their employees? Okay, we should use LinkedIn for searching. There is a bug. Okay. For searching skills about our employees. Continuing with the previous scenario, you are trying to find the answer to secret question. Which school did you go to as a child? What social media website would you consider checking to find answer to such secret questions? Facebook. All of our childhood is in Facebook. Conclusion. Ensure you have noted the various search engines and resources mentioned in this room, as they will be convenient in any cybersecurity path you follow. Now when you don't check. Okay guys, we finished this room. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you later.